Many people hesitate to plan a vacation trip because it has a reputation of being extremely expensive. If you do believe that taking a trip will burn a deep hole in your pocket, this video is for you. Hey there, my name is Mani Karthik. I'm a professional blogger from India. I quit my job in the US to get back to India and follow my passion, which happens to be blogging. In my daily struggle in life to get better, smarter, and richer, I've made several mistakes and learned a lot. Today, I share everything that I've learned on my blogs and in this channel. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, but don't do it now. Decide after watching this video. So, we look forward to vacations more so if they mean an overseas trip. Renowned American performer Danny Kaye famously said, "To travel is to take a journey into yourself." And with airfares becoming more and more affordable and travel portals offering discounts, the joy of traveling has come within the reach of the middle class like you and me. The love for exploring new lands is well understood by travel portals, which is why they have introduced various cheap travel options to make the most of the passion Indians have of the international travel. This is of course good news for us because now we have multiple ways to save on travel and accommodation using travel aggregator sites like Make My Trip or Yatra or Expedia. So here are my tips on scoring the best deal when it comes to booking holidays via travel portals. Let's take a look. Number one is pick the dates carefully. You might have already noticed that air tickets tend to be more expensive during some times of the year or even some days of the week as compared to others. Why is that? Well, the famous company cheapair.com conducted a research and found out that booking domestic flights 54 days in advance and international flights 6 to 7 months in advance can save you a lot of money. But do you know the best time and day of month to get the best flight deals? A study by Skyscanner revealed that booking your ticket at least on 5 a.m. on a Sunday during the month of January, February, and August can get you the cheapest airfares. Number two is use your credit card bonus and cashbacks. So sign up for a credit card that has a good reward program or offers great cashbacks. Make sure you can use these to get reward points or cashbacks and book flights or hotels. Many credit cards also offer access to airport lounges and various cafes across the world. So the next time you travel, make sure you travel in style with a credit card. The link to the best credit cards is in the description. Number three is book long layovers on flights. Yes, you heard that right. Book extra long layovers on your long flights. This will not only make you travel cheaper, but will also turn these layovers into bonus trips. You can use Google Flights to sort flights by duration. Direct flights do mean shorter travel time, but hopping flights and layovers could help you save and give you a mini vacation at each stop. For example, if you book a layover at Singapore's Changi Airport, you can get the layover visa and accommodation easily at the airport. Number four is sign up for newsletters and flight alerts. This is the best way to not miss out on flash sales and discounts that airlines offer throughout the year. Sign up for travel newsletters and flight alerts on websites like kayak.com, yatra.com, etc. More sites are in the description, but ticket prices tend to fluctuate from day to day, and these alerts will help you save on airfare by catching the cheapest air tickets that others don't know. Don't wait until the last minute because booking flights until the last minute means more expensive tickets. Number five is don't get lazy about researching comparison websites. Go through various aggregator sites like TripAdvisor, Trivago, and Expedia and check ticket and hotel prices. Basically, what these aggregator sites does is that they get all the offers from other companies, travel agencies, and airlines and put them all into one place. So it's easy for you to compare the prices. This will give you a rough idea about how much you are likely to spend on the holiday and how much you will be saving. Just be patient and persistent because finding good deals online needs good research. But remember the dates I mentioned earlier? Keep those in mind, it'll come in very handy. So in summary, being flexible about booking your flights and hotels and doing so at least 6 months in advance can help you save money on international holidays. By being alert and doing your research, you might end up with excellent deals that ensures a memorable trip. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked, like and subscribe please. My name is Mani Karthik, and also let me know in comments which website you used last time to get that discount you used on your last trip. I would like to know. This is Mani Karthik signing off.